Yeah. Sneaker, who is that? Riley, who is that?
Oh, great.
Sneaker's hissing. Go, Riley. Go see your new friend. Jeez, Sneaker. You're not very... Oh, look at Riley's tail.
Why?
It's puffed out.
Which means what?
He's mad.
He's mad?
Yeah, look at his tail. They puff themselves out like that. Well, this is not good. Holy shit, look at Riley's tail. Who is that, Riley? Oh, man. Oh. Guys, come on. Relax, Riley, relax. That's Sneaker. Sneaker. Sneaker's eye is watering. Oh, whatever are we gonna do? You okay, Riley? God. As if you're not skittish enough. Now you're gonna be stressed out with another cat here. Oh my god. Go see. Oh man, look at that. He's moving so slowly. Holy shit. Look at that. He's moving ever so carefully towards Sneaker. Oh man, look at that. That's amazing. Oh wow. He's moving like so slowly over there. No more hisses, Sneak. Go a little closer, Riley. Give him a sniff. Sniff him out. He's sitting. Oh, his tail's not puffed out anymore. It's wagging. It's okay. I'm just getting a little close. Riley, who is that? Who is that, Riley? Is that Sneaker? Sneaker looks so petrified. God. I want him to just like go right up there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go, go. Go see. Oh man. Sneaker's like right at the back of the case. Who
Can you
is
put his bed here?
It's awfully close to Riley's. I don't know. I don't know where else we could put it though. Wow.
I don't know. Where the cat litter is? The bag?
I guess. Or well, maybe we'll just put it here.
Here?
Yeah. What's going on, Riley? Aw, Sneaker's like way